Assalamu alaikum. My brothers and sisters, we have approximately 2.5 weeks up to Ramadan. So one thing I would like to sincerely advise myself and yourselves, and this is going to be Ramadan with a difference. From now, write down 30 bad habits that you have, something you need to eradicate. 30 things. A bad habit could mean something you're doing that's not good, or something that you're not doing that you're supposed to be doing. So you want to strengthen yourself to obedience, write down what it is. Weakness in your prayer, for example, your dress code, for example, the way you speak, for example, the laziness that you have, for example, how you treat the colleagues that you work with, or those who work for you, or those whom you work for, and so on. So many things. You can write down, jot down 30 things. Every day of Ramadan, concentrate on one thing. And remind yourself why you need to change that thing. And promise Allah that you will change it. And start making that effort even before Ramadan. But as Ramadan is passing, on a daily basis, look at each one of those things, one at a time. It's just a method in order to make it easy for us. One thing at a time, and inshallah, promise that you're going to change for the better. In this way, the Ramadan will become much more productive. The idea of the fasting and the entire month of Ramadan, لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, in order that you achieve taqwa, which is the consciousness of Allah, or the development of the correct relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, if we are going to be able to change 30 things every year, imagine the type of person we're going to become. In no time, we'll become a lovely person. And then, if you need help to identify your weaknesses, talk to those whom you live with. And don't feel bad when they tell you what needs correction with you. Correct it. Become more conscious of those whom you live with. If you're married, make a relationship with your spouse better. Make it better. And inshallah, you will be able to achieve so much from Ramadan. It will become such a beautiful month for you, with the softening of the heart, the improvement of the relationship, not just with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but with everyone else. And inshallah, in this way, we will pass the month of the Quran, and we won't regret how we utilized it to improve. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.